Hello, this is Cooper from Weatherford BMW, and today we're going to be talking about Live Vehicle. Live Vehicle is located in this menu button. You can click Live Vehicle. Live Vehicle will show you information. Right here we have the content. The content will show adaptive at first. You can adjust it to vehicle status or trip data. Vehicle status is if your car is stationary. Trip data is if you're driving. This will adjust via adaptive content depending on those modes. Vehicle status will show you if you have your low tire pressure or check controls or required services. Tire pressure will show the tire pressure of the car, front and rear, and it'll show the recommended amounts on the top and bottom. Tire settings, this is how you can recalibrate your tires. Check controls, this will show you everything wrong with the vehicle. If there is any check controls of any sort, like check engine lights, door open warnings, or anything like that. Required services will show you your service center, vehicle history. It'll show you your services that will need to be done in the future. Right over here, this is vehicle apps. Vehicle apps is just going back to that main page, or picture search. That's just going to be a informational search page to find other things. Again, that was live vehicle information. My name is Cooper from Weatherford BMW, and have a wonderful rest of your day.